friends, before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents 2000 years old Tibetan remedy prolongs life and prevents tumor. This old Tibetan medicine treats digestive disorders, heart and prevents strokes, prevents the formation of tumor, improves vision, and ensures a long and healthy life. Garlic and lemon are the two main ingredients. The drink should be consumed on an empty stomach in the morning. Ingredients: 10.5 oz, 300 grams of garlic, 2.2 pounds, 1 kg of lemons with peels should be finely grated, 50 oz, 1.5 liter of water. Preparation: boil 50 oz, 1.5 liter of water, then reduce the heat and add grated garlic and lemons. Add the lemon juice also. Cook the ingredients in a covered pot. Boil this mixture on a low heat 14 or 15 minutes, not a minute longer. When the mixture is cooled, put it in a jar. Consume this remedy 1.7 oz 50 ml per day in the morning. Repeat this procedure 25 days. When the remedy is spent, make a 10 days break and then do this process again. Notice: strictly adhere the day dose and the pause of 10 days. After this treatment, do not take the remedy except if there is a deterioration in a health status. For the healthy people, it is recommended 1 or 2 doses a year. This process should be repeated 2 times in the interval of 6 months. Tibetan tea for long life. This Tibetan tea is used to prevent the stress and it prolongs lifetime. Boil 8.5 cups, 67 oz, 2 liter of water for about 5 minutes and let it cool. When the water is cooled, add 5 grams of grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 pinch of chili pepper, and 1 pinch of anise. This tea should be consumed in small sips throughout the day. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.